Hello, ma'am. Fine, thank you. How are you?
แต่มันก็ยืดแล้วล่ะน่าจะได้
สวัสดีค่ะIs it peanut butter? Oh, sugar. Oh, shit. I was like, peanut butter? Let me get some peanut butter. Swadika. If I try anything, it might be some ribs. Oh, now I want to play too. Oh, that is cool.
Beautiful.
I would play with that for about an hour.
Yeah. They're probably not cheap, but they're very nice looking.
Oh, they're beautiful. Okay, so here they give you a passport cover with a stamp and put your name on it for 100 baht. There you go. That's what I was thinking. I was like, that's pretty good. And you get a logo. Swadika.
come back to that. I
might come back to that.
Coloured one because I've got a black one and it's ridiculous.
Mine's
You can
dark
never find
blue.
it.
You want a tattoo? You can get the iron-on kind. You show up at home, everybody think you got. I know they're fake.
I had one put on my arm.
Swadika.
How are you?
Fine as frog hair, split 3 ways.
We have big plan for you.
You have big plans for me. Oh, big fan for me.
Hey, look amazing.
We have also Thai food. We have pork.
No.
See, please.
We have table up there ready cool.
Oh, thank you. But I gotta keep up with this woman right here. She walking off without me.
But I told you, okay, come back the same time.
Well, hold on a minute. Oh, hair clips. That's what I mean. I was like, oh, those are hair clips. I couldn't have the one that looked like cookies. Ray would try to eat them.
Probably put this chip on it.
Oh, wow. Okay.